In 1976, the youth of Soweto took to the streets and changed the course of history. The fruits of their labor evident for all to see. However, 50 years later, new battles are being fought. But this time, this generation is in the driver's seat.